to disregard 1:45 a.m. feelings. It is phenomenal. So Brian, owner of Auto Arsenal, they've been helping me out do my wraps for years and years now. I don't know how many, 4 or 5, give or take. He's always taken care of me, and we've actually, the last couple of years, been planning way more ahead. There's been times where, actually, when was it 2020 FD, we were going to Atlanta, and it was like, all right, load it up, let's go to Road A. So he definitely appreciates new panels. 2F, we actually got a full 2F kit on there, doors and everything. This is the first time I've ever had fiberglass doors, so it dropped us, I think, like 40 pounds or so, give or take. We haven't done like exact weight comparisons, but it's in that realm. Body lines all line up perfect, but yeah, full 2F kit on here, and Brian likes that because it's easy. You don't got to fix none of these repaired fiberglass we had or patch over whatever. So anyway, this is it, the 2023 mid-season look, brought to you by Auto Arsenal. He was, it's kind of funny, I dropped the car off and we made a post on Instagram and said, hey, I think we're going to do the same wrap unless somebody wants to come up with something really quick. And I was okay with it. We had the maroon and the Nardo gray left over from last year, and because I bought 2 full rolls, so we're like, all right, we're going to use these base colors anyway. So let's just, do we leave it the same or inverse it? And like everybody said inverse it. So like Tuesday, Brian sent me a message and I was like, okay, car's inversed, front gray, rear's maroon. And then the next day, he is like, dude, we're not doing this design again. So I don't know, I had no clue what I was gonna show up to, but it's honestly my favorite one yet. Let me know what you guys think. I'm super stoked on it, and thanks again to the guys at Auto Arsenal. They kick ass. What up, man? Welcome to Rock Hill, South Carolina. I don't know, the most amazing city I've ever been to in my entire life. Maybe not that, but definitely the best compound I've ever been to in the general vicinity. Joey Whitaker has welcomed us and opened up his whole entire house, compound, whatever you want to call it. This dude is went above and beyond for my bachelor party this weekend, is what we're celebrating. He had a whole dirt track built in his backyard. How he finagled this to work out is beyond me. The dude's a hustler and bustler of many sorts. But he got a whole dozer coming in, and like, I don't know, 4,000 pounds of, or 4,000 loads, excuse me, of dirt brought in and made this dirt track for us. So we're out here, we all got a bunch of wrecked salvage cars, cheap cars. We're gonna be ripping around, racing, betting, a little bit of gambling, and afterwards drinking. But yeah, I'll let Joey take it away, tell you a little bit about the cars and kind of what he does and what brought us to him to have 5 cars here for us to drive.
All right, so I own a record service and advertise I do cash for junkers, and these are all ship boxes other than the white one. This one's Naren brought. Most of these cars I give $200-300 a piece, cut the cats off, make a few bucks, and if they still run, thrash them. And when Naren mentioned his bachelor party, I said, well, we'll have some fun, and when we kill them completely, we'll blow them up.
All right, we're gonna get to it. I don't know how the day already started off with parts off the vehicles. We hadn't even done any racing yet. So there's way too much carnage already. So I foresee us trying to take it easy, keep us out of the hospital, because on Sunday at zMAX Dragway, we'll be out there with CMD, Clean Culture for round 2. And we're actually gonna be racing for some actual money. Well, actually, we're probably racing for a little money out here, but a lot bigger payout at zMAX with Catch My Drift. Should be a good weekend. We're gonna get the party started now. Let's go. Car number 2 that's dead. But yeah, we were doing timed laps.
That what was time?
Start right here where the bumper is. Hop onto the track, 1 lap, come back around your second lap. Second bumper kill time. Then I hit it back up here, this thing died all on its own. Got 2. We're just prepping for Sunday, baby. Prepping for Sunday. Pilot? Bro, this is a unfounded off-road or circle track legend. Nobody knows about this thing yet. So, hometown, Concord, North Carolina. Track is hot right now. We're at zMAX Dragway, round 2 of Catch My Drift, CMD alongside Clean Culture. We got the fresh Auto Arsenal wrap on here. We're looking good. We had a show out for the hometown crew. Got a lot of my friends, family, crew out here, and a lot more to come. We got a ton of drivers. It's gonna be a really good day. I'm ready to get to it. They're already going. I'm ready to go. Feeling good. Definitely looking good. Car, me, track about to be hot.
round of the 50K series. Jonathan Nair, baby, second place, Dustin Miles. Great driving by all. Good stuff.
Hope y'all enjoyed.
Pop them bones, boys. Enjoy, do some burnout. Let's go do some fun.
Pyrotech, I need new shoes. How much we putting in this mug?
Almost some salt.
Oh, God.
Just like the whole track, I'm from Concord area, so it's so good to take home the win here, and I appreciate y'all coming out to support. Let's do this in North Carolina. Yeah, so CMD round 2 zMAX Dragway. I guess this year this would be our home track because my house is like 10 minutes down the road, so it made it fantastic to wake up, get here, and then I've ran here a couple times. Probably it's been 8 years, give or take, and it felt good to come back. I mean, first lap out, we hit our marks and was already feeling comfortable, and I had a huge team here. I think it was like the most people I've ever had anything. It was like 20-some people, I feel like. Mostly homies, friends, family. But it was definitely one big family here working towards a common goal of winning this event. Qualifying earlier today at it's a jam session. I don't think I've ever done that before. It was kind of weird. Did 2 laps, rain hit, and I wanted to get one more lap in because it was calling for rain all day, which thank goodness it was only here for like an hour. I did 1 lap in the rain. It was comfortable in it, and so we parked it and waited for comp. Got seated second place behind my boy D Miles. Looking at the brackets, there's quite a few heavy hitters on both sides that we were gonna have to make it through, and top 32 had a bye run because I think they had, after some guys broke today, we had 22 drivers out. So bye run, top 32, top 16. I think it was Nick at. And then Nick, and then Cody Dole, which that was a homie from Streetwide 10, 11, 12 years ago. We've been running with each other for a long time. Took the win there. Final 4 was, I don't remember his name, but he had a blue BMW, and then took that win. Actually, this is what came of that. Actually, this is a good side. So his car cut off on him when we were going into the touch and go out of 2, and then I'd watched him, and he'd been slowing up there all day, so I had prepared for him slowing up, but his car went to go straight. I actually knocked him back into drift because he was going straight and his car cut off. And then same time on the other side, same deal coming across the finish. So unfortunately, I already got some rub marks and whatever else on the new 2F doors. I've never had fiberglass doors, my first ones, so stoked to have them. But so we already got some marks on it. And then in the finals, me and Dustin made it to the end. He won round 1. The guy is a menace behind the wheel. We always have great battles when we run with each other, so I was actually really stoked to go against him again. His car's fast. That's his FD Pro car, Pro Spec car, Pro car. It's got a new 2J in it, make a ton of power. He's happy with it, all kinds of boost, and he led first, and I just did what I needed to do in chase where I felt comfortable on my lead run. He ended up touch coming in. I don't know if it was hour zone 2. I think it was hour zone 1. Huh?
There's that second little click you guys did.
Yeah, he came in and hit, I think it was this side, and I believe he hit the other side as well. I'm not sure how it ended up, but I know we were beating and banging against each other, and then he caught fire at the very end from maybe oil on his turbo. But all in all, we put some damage on this wrap. Sorry, Auto Arsenal, and sorry, 2F. But it looks like we already need a refresh, unfortunately. But you know what? If we take the win by beating it up, is what it is. Home track, North Carolina, zMAX Dragway, CMD round 2. Took the dub, took home the win. Feels great. We're getting loaded up, and we're going to go right back home 10 minutes away. That's it. That's a wrap. Let's go. Next round, we're ready. CMD round 3 at in Virginia. And yeah.